Your Holiness, I now have the great privilege of giving you this special Tom Lantos Prize. On the medal are inscribed the words of Tom Lantos: "The rights of one are the rights of all." On behalf of the Lantos Foundation, the for Human Rights and Justice, the entire Congress, and millions around the world, I thank you for your work to ensure the rights of all people. And now I have the privilege of reading the citation. On behalf of Annette, Katrina, and the Lantos Foundation, I will now share this awards citation. The Lantos Foundation for Human Rights and Justice hereby awards its inaugural Lantos Human Rights Prize to the 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, the religious leader of the Tibetan people. With courage, compassion, and humility, he has given voice to the aspirations of all humanity for a life of dignity, justice, and respect. As an unflinching advocate of nonviolent reconciliation, he has advanced the cause of human rights in every corner of the globe. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is one of the most highly honored peacemakers of our time and a unique moral voice for our day. The Lantos Foundation.
At the beginning, I want to speak Tibetan. 다가한다. 저서 존지 차당. 아니 다가한다. Republican 존지 차래. 근데네 다 가소래. 마르케군이 샤베네. 다 게릭 그지 덴베 아니 그즈베 더 접고 랜더스 담바디 아니 잠 다음식 그때모 엔티신데다 군주나 먹고 싶어 스페셜이 아 나머지 상황을 쉬어야 엔터한테 체질적 나 담바 강대 찬도네 아니 작은 싶게 나야 지다 아니 배지 차가 담고디 나도 썼어야 나물이 아니 믹스기다 가서 소화지다 그렇게 실수쇼이